Hey everyone, Dennis here with StorMagic, and today I am going to give a quick walkthrough on how to grow your VSA shared storage. In this demo, we will be doing this through the vCenter plugin. First, we'll go to our data center, then the Configure tab, and then click on our StorMagic plugin. If we navigate to the Manage Storage tab, we can see that our current shared storage is at 50 GB. To grow this, all we need to do is click Actions, then Grow. This will launch the Grow Data Store wizard. We can just set the new size of the data store and click Next. This will give us a summary of what we are changing. Once we click Finish, it will start to grow the data store. After just a few seconds, we can refresh and see that the capacity of our data store has now increased to 100 GB. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to grow your VSA shared storage. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on StorMagic products and features.